Okay, well, this is I guess the next day here, so I decided to open or at least show you the bunk board guides that I got for the boat. It's a bit hot and sunny right now, so I'm gonna wait till it cools off a bit. But at least to show you that what I got here, I'll show you the camera. I'll turn the camera around here if I can, and that is it. They're by Smith. Um, got them on Amazon, and I'll probably unbox it here after a while and see what tools I need. It'll be pretty simple installation, so um, hopefully this will help on our next trip, getting that boat back in. Well, at least I wanted to show you what I got here. I started this video outside, but what I didn't think of was when you're doing a front camera, it actually faces everything upside down, so or in reversed. So anyway, they are made by Smith, bunk guides. They are Amazon, and that is what they will look like. I'm just giving it a rough measurement there, just to kind of look at it and look down the pontoon here, see where it goes. We got 24 feet. I want to make sure that we have plenty of it sticking up on top so that that's visible through the trailer part. And what I'll do is then they give you these basically wood screws, and very large wood screws. It'll go through that, and once I measure one, I'll just do both of them the same, and then I'll mount them. Okay, well, I didn't videotape the whole thing, so that would have been kind of boring. And besides, it would probably been just seeing the back of my head most of the time. But anyway, I'm going to turn the camera around here so we can see how they turned out here. All right, and that is how they sit under there. The other one down on the other side. See the clamps underneath. It's on the top, and they say not to go no more than 2 inches from the actual pontoon. So I used a finger length, and that's about the same, right about the same on both sides. And I'm thinking that's going to probably be good. Basically, all this is going to do is just guide the boat to get on to those bunk boards, which have been the most difficult part of this, is putting it back on. So that's how they look, and it wasn't really all that difficult, just a little time consuming there. Other than that, time will tell. Next time we're out, we'll give it a try, and then we'll follow up with an update, see how that turns out. And I'll go ahead and end that video.